We must stretch our use of meat and make it count. The more marbled with fat is a higher grade meat, and that is also the more expensive meat. Compare cuts of meat. 1 pound of ground beef serves 4 or 5 people. 1 pound of porterhouse serves 2 or 3 people. You can also extend the meat. For every 1 unit of meat, use 3 to 6 units of extenders. Meat pies by using a pastry topping and mashed potato topping. Meats with a baked stuffing. Rice, either wild or white, or sauerkraut, or dumplings. Pinwheel rolls. Take ground beef, pork, or veal. You can extend meat with scalloping them with potatoes. And you can do this with bologna and sliced frankfurters or sausages. You can extend meat by creaming it. You could do this with dried beef, ham, mushroom, sweetbreads, leftover meats. Put it on toast or biscuits over potatoes, on rice or noodles, in puff pastry. Croquettes. You could use any type of ground cooked meat. You can extend the meat with baked stuffed vegetables. Use chopped leftover meats. Through soups. All the bones and the trimmings and the shank, vegetables, spaghetti, vermicelli, noodles. For untender cuts of meat, you can braise them, make them into stews or soups. For tender cuts of meat, roast, broil, or pan broil the normal portion size for each of the meats in 1943 as a basic guide. For each individual, if you're having round steak or a roast, boneless roast, or variety meats, which is the internal organs, you serve 1/4 pound, typically. For chops, roasts with the bones in, pot roast, you serve 1/3 pound. For spare ribs, you serve 3/4 pound. For T-bone and porterhouse steak, you serve 1/2 pound. For meat birds with stuffing, you serve 1/5 pound. For sausage and boneless stew meat, you serve 1/6 pound. And for bacon, you serve 1/8 pound.